Hello Ds, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. It's 1st of February, Thursday, and we are in the famous Gerona Street, aka the famous British Street. We'll show you what it looks like right now on the 1st of February. Let's go and explore it together. It's a sunny and lovely day outside. We start today's video right on the British Street, where a lot of popular hotels are located. For example, the Flash Hotel, which is a 4-star superior hotel, lovely place, we filmed it here on the channel, is closed right now, surprisingly. The Calypso nearby, we've also showed it to you in a complete video tour here on the channel, so if you want to check it out, what you need to do is just to go to the playlist Hotels of Benidorm, and that's it. There you have all different types and kinds of hotels that we've showed you with official tours here on the channel. Different room types, common areas, even the restaurant buffet, what the food is looking like, and all this in a high definition so that you would see it the best way possible. Here, Morgan Tavern, there's some noises coming out of there. Are they changing something? They're refurbishing it on the inside. Okay. Probably they're changing the bathrooms or something, because there's outside bathrooms right here. I do feel that quite a lot of bars, and you will probably see it in today's video, a lot of bars do have different types of changes that they are implementing before the new summer season kicks in here in Benidorm town. Waikiki is closed. A lot of these places do open up only on weekends, simply because on usual work days there is not too many people about and around, especially here on the British Street. It's more evening time, unless you have a big sunny terrace, which is when it's gonna be really busy. Lovely Rio do Hotel, 4 stars, very nice place, recommended, great location, close to the beach, quite close to the beach, close to all the nights entertainment and much more. Here by the Ambassador Playa Hotel, there is a brand new vending machine service which does sell you different types of snacks, drinks, even things for parapharmacy, we call it here, parafarmacia, which is not like medications, but different other types of things. Even pregnancy tests, if you wish, you can purchase them in these types of automatic machines. The sun is shining quite high, and it's lovely. It's lovely here. There's quite a lot of movement. There's a lot of cars. There's people every now and then passing by. So definitely it's not a quiet place for first day of February. Usually this is the least busy time of the year. This is when there's less tourism. This is when it's the coldest time of the year as well. But you cannot tell it by seeing what we see right now, can you? There's a lot of people in the Hotel Ambassador. Nearby we have the Western Saloon, which is open too. There's quite a few people on the terrace on the sunshine. Of course, the sunshine is a must when you come here on holidays, right? There are some typical Chinese shops that also remain open. Some Indian restaurants. Has this been here always? I kind of have a feeling that it didn't. Offer all day, $39.95. Meal for 2 people, so 40 euros for 2. That's like 20 euros per person. That's not a bad menu. Cinnamon Lounge, starters, create your own curry. Ooh, that's nice. Shashlik. Ooh, that's incredible. That's a very popular dish back in my country. Home style specialties, rice pods, bread, children's menu, vegetarian extra meals. Quite a few options. That's actually not bad at all. In front we have the Hotel California, and here there's already way more people. Usually where you see the sunshine, that's where the vast majority of people will be, and they will move together with the sunshine to other bars. That's what typically is happening, especially now, because on the sunshine it's very comfortable, very nice and warm, and I would dare to say it's around 20 degrees on the sunshine, if not even maybe slightly more. Right in front of the Hotel Don Pancho, which is one of our top favorite hotels in Benidorm, which is this black style hotel. Incredible place, luxurious design. We love it. It's fully recommended for your stay here. And right in front of it, right next to the Crown and all these other lovely businesses, we see Insomnia. Insomnia, they've changed it. It had a different name before, but it's like a nightclub. Very nice design, but they're changing it right now, which I personally like even more. There's a lot of building work going on out here, and we all get it. Before summer, it has to be done. It has to be finished with a brand new touch to attract more and more possible customers. Here we have all types of striptease, like dancer type of shows. But these ones are closed right now. Rockefellers as well. They do show you which kind of night entertainment and night shows they provide. For example, here we have Tony Scott. They also have the Flood. They have the Pink Benidorm, like Pink Tribute. The Sticky Vicky, but that's her daughter, I think, obviously, because she's no longer here with us. She passed away not so long ago, but it says legacy continues, so I suppose it's her daughter that is continuing all the legacy that she's left here in Benidorm town. Let's see what the Red Lion has to offer. Live today, 6 p.m. Red Lion DJ session. Okay, live tonight, 5:45, a tribute to Oasis. Sticky Star, is that like an alternative to Sticky Vicky? Probably. I know there's been quite a few people who tried to not like steal her number, but make something similar to attract customers and visitors. So probably that's something similar to that. Oh, hi! Just seen a lovely couple of probably our subscribers, because they know us, did say hi. Seems to be a lovely couple that is enjoying their holidays here in Benidorm. If you're seeing this video, I hope you enjoyed your holidays here. I hope you're having fun and really lovely time out here. Probably staying somewhere here nearby. Let us know if you enjoy your hotel, by the way. Here in front, we have one of our favorite places to grab some shoes on a budget. This is Danielo Di Luca, very famous low-cost shoes. Here you have some slippers for $6.99, $4.99, $3.99. That's the lowest I've seen so far. Flip-flops, different types of shoes, all season, summer, winter, autumn, mid-season shoe wear. A lot of different, even socks you can get there. A lot of different things. And then if you need something for the shoes to make them more comfortable, you even have high heels out there. And the prices are quite reasonable. So if you want something like this that you are not planning to use for a long time, just maybe for a couple of nights out or days out, this is where you can purchase it, because if you spend less money, it's not as painful to leave these things behind afterwards. Rose and Crown Karaoke and Sports Bar, already nice, clean and tidy, all ready to celebrate, to party. Obviously today is Thursday, so it's like a beginning of weekend almost. It's almost Friday, so it's almost weekend if we think it that way. And starting from Thursday, obviously it will be slightly more busy, and taking into consideration that it's Benidorm Fest week right now, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of younger generations that after Benidorm Fest or between the different types of celebrations and semi-finale and finales do want to have some fun, to come here to the British Street for some shows and some night entertainment. KFC is also open, and it's usually available for snacks up until late night or even early morning hours. Oh, look at this, the Broadway. Oh my goodness, what are they doing there? Absolute change, refurbishment, whatever it's gonna be. I'm sure it's gonna be very nice. Complete change, massive change of the terrace. Everything, the whole entire Broadway place is actually changing. Wow. That's why I've said there's quite a lot of places right now that decided to make some changes before the new summer season. They had some lovely terrace out there. Probably it's going to be bigger. I'm not quite sure what are they doing here, but I guess we will see it very soon before the new season starts. Right in front, we have the whole British Strip, the whole nightclubs, night pubs area, which is also changing. I can see some things being brought for probably some building work. It's gonna be interesting this year. Then we have Zodiac, Hilarious, Hypnosis, Pink Tribute, Sticky Vicky once again. Then we have Rick Hadley of the 80s, Ed Sheeran Tribute. There's quite a lot of different shows out there to choose from. This is actually very, very nice. The railway, for example, is open already. I suppose they're cleaning it all up and preparing the terrace. They'll be opening from this afternoon up until a late night hours. And it's becoming quite a popular place. If you've been to the railway, the train place, I call it personally, let us know if you've enjoyed it. The other lovely place is the Secret Garden. It's situated right on the back of the Hotel Marina. And this is what it looks like. Secret fountain, like a secret garden, roof bar garden. They say they're open from 11 a.m. but it's past 12 and they're not open just yet. Rock Party, Evie on stage, Lizzie G, Cameron James, Rock Party, Jill Ryan, and much more available out here starting from 4 p.m. probably. That's actually very nice. That's not a bad hour, especially now in winter season. That's actually quite good. But it's strange that it's not open today and says it's open every single day. Here in front, we have some more interesting places to discover. As you can see, there's constant movement of people around us. Tourists walking around, people arriving, people departing, cars, vehicles, everything is moving and changing. Here we have one of the favorite places too. They have an incredibly big terrace. And in summer, all this is full with people. The White Star, the live music cocktail place, very nice place. Some supermarket right in front. Was it here before? Not too sure already if it was here before. Or they've changed it. They've renewed the outside packaging, you know, of the supermarket for a newer one. But there's a supermarket right in front. It's not the most expensive one, but not the cheapest either. Planet Benidorm, we have it here right now. It's obviously closed because it's just midday. And in front of the Planet Benidorm, we have the Andes, simply the best. The bar, oh, they're painting something. They're also doing some improvements inside. That's very, very nice, very useful. All the improvements that are for the best are really, really welcomed here in Benidorm. Have the winning post, for example, here that is open, the Funky Flamingo bar. Oh, they've put some shade on top to protect it slightly from the sunlight. Some more supermarkets here with typical souvenirs, some funky, strangely put phrases on the t-shirts themselves. Oh, look at this. There is a brand new place probably opening up here soon. Woohoo! We love new places in Benidorm, don't we? Absolutely love it. I'm quite interested in what it's gonna be. Probably a new pub, a new maybe nightclub, night bar, restaurant, cafeteria? I don't know. Supermarket? Soon we will find it out because they are already finishing the work. The jumping jacks, oh my goodness, it's extremely full. See, this is what the big sunny terrace makes for and means for the bar. This is what it does. It attracts people. The sunshine attracts tourists. That's how it is. And that's great because sitting on a lovely terrace with a nice and favorite drink is very positive during holidays, and not only holidays. This is what a lot of people love to do. It brings us joy. And even if it's not only alcohol, not alcohol drinks, refreshing drinks, cocktails, just some nice snacks in a great company on the sunshine is always a good thing to do. Even the Rockstar is absolutely full today. The yellow brick road right in front of us and the full, incredibly full Rockstar terrace. A great day today here on the Gerona Street on the 1st of February. Couldn't be busier than it is right now on a midday. This is what the famous Gerona Street, aka the British Street, is looking like today on the 1st of February, Thursday. The sun is shining, there's blue skies, and there's a lot of people enjoying their holidays on the terraces of the most famous bars and pubs that are still open even on midday. More and more of them will be opening up. You've seen a lot of different refurbishments, a lot of different new bars probably will be emerging very soon. And it's already lovely to spend a day out here on the British street. As more we go, the more we go, the more we go into the tourism season, the more we head into the more busy timing, more and more people will be arriving and more businesses will be opening up back again. Quite a lot of them towards the end of February or maximum beginning of March. Thank you for accompanying us on today's lovely, sunny walk down one of the famous entertainment streets of the entire Benidorm town, the street of Gerona. And we'll see you tomorrow with a new video with the latest Benidorm news update. Bye!